Best toothpaste are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best toothpaste from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Crest 3D White Toothpaste Radiant Mint 3.8 ounce. You will receive 3.8 ounces tubes of Crest 3D White Toothpaste Radiant Mint removes up to 80% of surface stains, cleans and hard-to-reach areas, prevents future stains, strengthens enamel. Radiant mint flavor. Number 2. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening Toothpaste. 3.4 ounce tube of Sensodyne Repair and Protect Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Toothpaste for sensitive teeth from the number 3 dentist recommended brand for sensitive teeth. Sensodyne Fluoride Toothpaste builds a repairing layer inside the tiny tubules of the sensitive areas of your teeth. 2.3. Stannous Fluoride formula provides lasting protection against sensitivity with twice daily brushing, so you can enjoy life without the worry of sensitivity. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Peroxicare Toothpaste Twin Pack. Ultimate deep cleaning formula that helps maintain healthy gums by cleaning between teeth and along the gum line. When used as a part of a complete brushing routine, formulated with peroxide for extra whitening power for your most confident smile. Baking soda formula that is gentle on enamel and tough on plaque. Fluoride or clean mint flavor that leaves a fresh from the dentist clean feeling. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.